Hello everyone, this is Agnes from MAYTECH, and now I'm showing how to assemble the hub motor and the wheels into the trucks for you. So firstly, this is a single truck, and this is the wheels, and this one is a hub motor, and also we have the VHC and the newest remote. Now we will show how to assemble it. But frankly speaking, for the specialist, it's very easy. But for the beginners, yeah, we need a show. Yeah, okay. Firstly, screw the remove the screw. Yeah. Yeah, and also take away the small parts, then put the hub motor in one long side. Yeah, it's long side. Yeah, and yeah, put the small gasket into side, and then the screw. Yeah, maybe you need the T-tools to tightening the screws. Then it's the wheel. Yeah. So firstly, you need put two bearings into the wheel. One piece, one side. Yeah. So need the two-piece wheels. Yeah. Put the small gasket on inside. Yeah. Then the wheel and the screw. Oh, and the small gasket. Then the screw. Yeah, it's very easy. So use the T-tools and tighten it. Yeah, it's very easy. Now you can see here are three cables in the motors, and with the 5.5 mm male connectors, and this is for the VLC, such as this VLC. So you can connect it together. Yeah, that is very easy. That's okay. Yeah, it's very easy. Thank you.